On today's menu, an incredible drink you probably didn't know you can make with real pumpkin. Pumpkin spice latte. Lay ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Pumpkin spice latte is an absolute favorite, but it doesn't actually need to be this incredibly syrupy drink. Bring a pot of shallow water to boil. This is a pie pumpkin. Just scoop those seeds out, but do not throw them away. Medium-low heats. Pumpkin. Steam your pumpkin for 15 to 20 minutes or until soft. I think pumpkin is one of those things where most people are intimidated to cook, but all you have to do is basically just put it in the steamer. You have this amazing pumpkin. Now be careful with this because it is extremely hot. Place your pumpkin in the blender. Ginger. Cinnamon. Cloves. Nutmeg. Cane sugar. So basically we're making a pumpkin spice puree so that you can have it on hand and make this drink really quickly next time. It just smells incredible. Espresso machine. Double shot espresso. Tamp your coffee as flat and as evenly as possible. Run your machine with hot water before pulling your shot. Pumpkin spice puree. Espresso. It's not a bad idea to add more sweetener if you're using unsweetened milk. Almond milk. Warm up your steam wand. Turn your steam wand off and back on again to steam your milk. Stir in gently your pumpkin puree. an absolutely incredible drink you can have every day. Finally, you can turn your house into an amazing coffee shop and impress your friends.